It's a good idea.
500 down, 1,000 up.
This way?
This way, yes.
Okay, thanks.
No problem.
Hola, how was it?
It's beautiful down there.
One day orchid. Almost like halfway. Yeah, the difficult part over here is for rain.
Okay.
You know, when the rain comes, when it's a lot of rain,
Yeah.
but the mud, the rain coming off. Okay, guys. Now it's one of the scary point. The scary point. What does it mean? A scary point, guys? A snake. Snake lunch. A snake don't be vegetarian.
No, don't poke at it. You gotta find it with your eyes.
Can you show me the snake, please?
What color is it?
Oh, come on, come on. You see? She's not kidding me. You see the grayish color? Underleaf? It's a gray color and black.
Oh, I saw it. A viper?
Horn nose, speed viper. Have a little horn on their nose.
Horn nose.
Horn nose vipers. Yeah, they are so dangerous. We have a many different colors. Yeah.
It's below, for sure.
Sí, que le falta todavía medio camino más todavía. Pero acaba de recorrer. Verde, dice que no deja porque Cacique. Cacique is the national company of liquor, is the brand from Costa Rica. National company of liquor, legal. But, pero, en español, inside, we don't have that legal alcohol. We have homemade sugarcane spirit. We call in Costa Rica guaro, aguardiente, o contrabando. Contraband, because the people say it's illegal because it doesn't pay tax. But for us, it's not illegal. For me, it's not illegal. For me, it's traditional. We saw the volcano, but we don't saw volcanic. We didn't see volcanic explosion. but you are gonna feel something similar. Repeat after me, and don't, loud, please, en español fuerte. I'm gonna say arriba, abajo, al centro, salud y pa' dentro. So you can leave with me here. Oh, chicos, if you want to leave shoes or something, you can leave with me right here. We're gonna be here for 45 minutes, chicos. When you hear a whistle,
¿Y cosa es eso?
you bring it and you live on the shore of the river.
Cacao plantation. Have you ever visited before? Cocoa field, cacao? No? And that's better. It's a new experience today. I think you love coffee chocolate, right? That's why you are here. But this is a new experience. Take a look at it. This is the fruit from South America. They took 30 years, a good time for that. But this is just starting, you know? Just the beginning. Cocoa tea, chocolate tea. Something very possible in specialty places. Each cacao bean, guys, the cocoa beans, has two important things, like two components or two ingredients. Keep going, let me pull it. Very nice.
Arriba,
Abajo,
abajo,
al centro,
al centro,
para adentro.
vale.
Salud.
Salud.
In this machine, guys, it's a roasting machine. In this case, with the coffee, guys, that's a light. We have just light, medium, and dark. This is light roast. Heat it up with hot water first. The best, the better idea. In Highlands, we have more production, more acidity, more citrusy, more flavors, more production in Highlands. We have no FedEx or other one, we use that one. I think it's fast delivery. And also, guys, we have a store online. That's why you order online. Okay, we pick by hand, one by one. We twist one by one, or we sometimes can do this, like stripping it. Now, this is the last amount of water, 400 milliliters, and that's it.
So, fresh.